done this past myself before, so seen it for the first time myself. Lovely views. Yeah, very nice views. But when we just come from Tredegar, put in the sat nav, and I thought it was going to bring us over the top of one of the other passes, but it didn't. It took us through the estate. It wasn't too bad, it was only for about 5-10 minutes. We're back on the nice roads now. These roads are perfect for this kind of riding. Just cruising, yeah, I'm not going too fast. Just taking in the views. You always go to the, well, I find I don't know, go at a different pace when I'm with people riding. When I'm on my own, I'm a lot slower. Taking everything in, but I'm a bit cautious. I'd be going too slow for everybody if I was going at my pace when I'm on my own. Resource and these are nice roads. Yeah, it's a nice little pass. Feel the temperature up here, mind. It's currently 18 degrees. Well, like I said, not a cloud in the sky. Yeah, we're not going to go to Big Pit. We might go and have a look at it, but we're not going to go there. We'll go to the there's like a steam train place. Obviously it's on that sign there. They got a nice cafe. So we're going to stop and have a cafe. Have a coffee before we leave there. Down over to Abergavenny. Forward lever. On the road for just over an hour. Sure, I need to be turning right somewhere down here. Looking out for the sign for Big Pit. Oh, here we go, we've got a sign there. Boys. There's the lake. Here we are, Blaenavon Railway. This is going to be our first stop. Pull the carriages, which are ready to go. Well then,
Yeah.
how far does that go up then?
It's about 3/4 of a mile.
Is it, yeah?
Up to the Whistler Inn, as far as we go at the moment.
Yeah.
Where they're trying to extend a bit further. And then she'll come back down
Yeah.
and go down to Cumberland Farm. It's about 3 miles.
Oh, okay.
And then goes back to High Level Station, which is down there. Then runs round again and then goes back up.
That van there, John, isn't it?